Right guys, the most expensive ready meal is actually at Tesco. So let's go and get it. And there they are guys, there they are, Charlie Bigham's. Right, it's only £5 now with a club card to be honest. But £5 for a ready meal, is that expensive? The size of it as well is tiny. But they have actually got a fish pie for two here for £9.50. So I think we'll get that and we'll try it out. £9.50 for a ready meal. Right, so back on now guys, there it is, Charlie Bigham's. And also look like you can win a camper van. It does say there as well, keep flat in the fridge, obviously because all that stuff can crumble off. Right, cooking instructions, really, really simple. Take it out the plastic, put it on a tray, 35 minutes, and leave to stand for 2 minutes. But you need to preheat the oven first. Right, preheat it. Take it out the cellophane. There you go. So it comes in like a wooden box. That's probably why it's £9.50. So it's actually like a very, very thin wood. And it does actually weigh, I reckon about half a kilo. About half a kilo that weighs. Actually 655 grams. And if anyone's wondering what fish is actually in it, it's delicate hake, salmon and smoked haddock in our traditional parsley sauce with creamy mashed potato and crunchy cheddar and breadcrumb topping. Okay, it's preheated now for 5 minutes. We're going to get that straight in there in the middle and we're going to leave that for 35 minutes. So when it's 12:40, it's going to be done. We are literally 1 minute away. How good is that looking? That is literally looking amazing. And we are ready. That smells unreal. Right, let's get it out, get it on the plate and see what it's like. Let's go for it. Charlie Bigham's fish pie, eh? Very creamy. Massive chunks of fish. Okay, that is unreal. That is really amazing. That is absolutely gorgeous. That is amazing. Guys, let me know in the comments if you think that's worth £9.50. When you see £9.50, you think, nah, that's not worth it for one meal. Because let's face facts, a grown man, that's going to be one portion. Yeah, for £9.50, it becomes quite steep. Could you make it cheaper at home for £9.50? I don't know. Let me know in the comments what you think. £9.50, Charlie Bigham's, most expensive ready meal. Let me also know, guys, what your favourite Charlie Bigham's ready meal is. I actually loved the curry. The curry was absolutely banging, really flavoursome.